In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export saved passwords from Brave browser. If you're moving to a new password manager or just want a backup, exporting your saved passwords from Brave is straightforward. We'll do this on the desktop version of Brave, and I'll point out a few safety tips along the way so your information stays secure. First, open the Brave browser on your computer. Make sure it's up to date so the menus look familiar. Once Brave is open, head to the top right corner of the window and click the menu icon with three horizontal lines. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to Brave's main settings page. On the left side, find the section labeled Autofill and Passwords. Click that, then select Password Manager. This is where Brave stores your saved logins. You'll see a section called Saved Passwords. Look just above the list and you'll find a three-dot icon. Click those three dots to open additional options. From the drop-down, select Export Passwords. Brave will display a warning to remind you that the exported file is not encrypted. That means anyone who gets the file can read the passwords in plain text, so treat it like a highly sensitive document. When you're ready to proceed, click Export Passwords again to confirm. Depending on your operating system, you may be asked to authenticate by entering your computer password or using your device's sign-in method. This step ensures you're the one authorizing the export. Next, choose where to save the file. Brave will generate a .csv file, which stands for comma-separated values. Pick a secure location on your computer, ideally somewhere that isn't synced to a shared cloud folder unless you're certain it's protected. You can give the file a clear name and date so you know exactly what it is. A few quick tips to keep your data safe after exporting. Only keep the .csv file as long as you need it. If you're importing into another password manager, complete that import right away and then securely delete the .csv. Avoid emailing the file or uploading it to services that don't encrypt data by default. If you use full disk encryption on your computer, that adds an extra layer of protection while the file exists. And if you can't find these options in your version of Brave, check for updates or revisit the Password Manager page to confirm you're in the Saved Passwords section. That's it. You've exported your saved passwords from Brave and kept control of your data throughout the process.